Hi everyone. In this video I'll be showing you how to add link to your image in WordPress. So let's get started. So here I'm in my WordPress admin dashboard and I'm just going to edit one of my posts. So I'll just click on edit. And here I am in my post. So I'll just scroll down, or you can just add it to an existing image. So I'll just add a new image. Go here, image, and I'll just upload it, this image. So here I'm having an image uploaded, and if you just click on image, to the top you'll be having the insert link icon. Click that and make sure that you are having a link ready. So I'm going to put my YouTube channel link to that image. You can put any link that you want. Just copy this, go here and paste your link. After pasting your link, you have to press on this icon, apply. That's it, it has been applied. So once it is applied, you'll be having this arrow icon, which is link settings. Click that and make sure that you're enabling open in new tab, because whenever the user is going to press the image, that particular URL needs to get opened in a new tab, or else it will be opened on the existing WordPress website itself, which is not that good, I would recommend. So it's better to have open in new tab. That's it. Now we are good. We have the link open in new tab checked. Amazing. After that, just click on update. Yeah, the post has been updated. Just click on view post, and I need to scroll to the last end. So if I just hover over my image, here you can see I'm getting it as a clickable pointer, and I'm also getting the URL here, like to the leftmost bottom. And if I just click on my image, I'll be getting the link opened in a new tab. So I hope you have found this video useful, guys. Do check the playlist of my channel. Done a lot of videos in programming and AI tutorials as well as WordPress. Check the playlist, subscribe me. Thanks for watching.